Hi children, I hope you have been subscribed to my channel, that is Sadan Guide Center. If not, please do it so that you may get interesting videos and easy way explanation, that is step by step. Okay, right. Coming back to the class, that is from the square and a cube, exercise 1, page number 10. Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the following numbers: 4, 9, and 10. So now, sorry, children. So now, going to the, we first will find the LCM of this, that is LCM of, that is 4 comma 9 comma 10. So here 4, 9, 10. We'll find the first LCM here. 2 twos are 4. Here 9 as it is. 2 fives are 10. Then again, that is 2 ones are 2, 9, 5 as it is. So 2 cannot be divisible. Then go with the 3. 3 ones 1 as it is. 3 threes are 9, 5 as it is. Again here 3, 1 as it is. 3 ones are 3, 5 as it is. Then here, that is 5 ones are, right. So now we get here LCM, what children here, that is LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. That means here 2 and 3 both are in pairs, but whereas 5 is not in a pair. So we'll make it first here, that is 2 square into 3 square into 5. 2 square is nothing but 4 into 3 square is nothing but 9 into 5, which is equal to 180. That is nothing but your LCM. Okay, but 180, as we know that 5 is a, there is not a pair number, so it's very this one. So we will mention here, first we will mention here one by one. 5 is not in pair. So to make 180, we'll multiply here. Okay. So 180 is not a, we'll write the sentence first here, square number. Square number. Now to get a square, perfect square, to get a perfect square, we multiply by 5. We multiply by 5 children. Okay. So now we multiply, that is 180 into 5 is nothing but what? 900. Okay. 900. And 900 is nothing but it's a perfect square. For example, yesterday I have told you, yesterday means that last video I have explained you, that is the 3 square is 9, so easily we can, so 0 will be the multiples here, so that's why here, that is therefore the required smallest square number is 900. Okay children, I hope you understood with this one. Next one, find the smallest number by which 9408 must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect square. Find the square root of the product. Now the number he has mentioned clearly 9408, so we'll make it here, that is first we'll write here 9408. Again we'll find the f, 2 divisible, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, sorry 9, then 2 7s are 14, 0 at is 2 4s are 8. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 7, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, then 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 3, then 2 7s are 14, carry 1 5, 15, that is 2 6 are 12. Then again it becomes with the 2, 2 5s are 10, 11, 2 8s are 16, 17, 2 8s are 16. Then here again one more time you can divisible by 2, 2 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, carry 1 5, 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8, that is, then again 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, carry 1 9, 2 sevens are 14. So it becomes a 147. Then now it cannot go with the divisible by 2. So take it 3. 3 fours are 12. 2 carry. 3 nines are 27. Then 49 is a directly divisible 7. 7 sevens are 49 and 7 ones are 7. So that means here what we are getting here, that is 9408 is nothing but 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 multiples of 2, 4 5 6 into 3 into 7 into 7. Right now this is pair, this is pair, this is pair, and this is pair. So which is not in a pair? That is 3 is not in a pair, except 3 all are the prime factors, right? So I'll mention here except 3, except 3 all the prime factors, all the prime factors of 9408 are arranged in pairs. Now multiply this to get a perfect square. Multiply 9408 by 3 to make a perfect square. To make a perfect square. Okay, children. Now we multiply here 9408 into 3, which is equal to, if you multiply here 8 3s are 24, that is, then 4 3s are 12, carry 1 here, 9 3s are 27 plus 1 28, 28,224. Now again we have to find the roots here, that is square, because in the question he has mentioned find the square root of the product. So we have to find the square root of the product. So now we got the product, find it here, that is square root of 28,224 is equal to square root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So as we take, we know that it's in a pair, this all. Now make it here, that is 2, take a common, 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Now we know 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 into 7 3s are 21. So multiply 8 into 21 is nothing but 168. The square root of 28,224 is equal to 168. Okay children, I hope you understood with this problem, right? Thank you children.